Colin's first cereal. Rice cereal. Go, honey. Yay! You could do it. Smile. Tastes good? Huh? How's that look?
He's looking at it.
Yeah. Love it? Wow. Oops, you're scratching. Scratching is not allowed. Okay? Yay! Colin James. Good boy. Look at that. Ah, big boy. Oops. Tastes good? Huh? Tastes good. Ah, you can do it. Stop scratching. Come on.